Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing French toast. We're doing banana bread French toast. Stick around. Alright, we got our banana bread here. We're just gonna cut us off some nice slices. And I believe I want to kind of go from the middle. Those two look beautiful. So we're gonna take this, and I've gotten into making banana bread. I'm truly loving making it. So it's delicious. Goes well with breakfast. And I came up with the idea, hey, let's make some French toast out of this. So let's get this started. All right, so I'm gonna make a real simple French toast mix. We're just gonna use a couple of eggs, a little half and half there. Probably should have opened that before we got started good. Just need a little bit. We're gonna hit this with a little bit of cinnamon. And at the recommendation of a viewer, subscriber, that mentioned to me using fresh nutmeg. Oh, that smells wonderful. So that's what I'm doing. It is about a half clove here. Because it shouldn't be as strong as the pre-ground stuff you get. Let's find out. Get us a little whisk. Heat this up. And I used this huge bowl because I wanted to make sure I had enough surface area to put my bread down in. Smells wonderful. Now I'm gonna season this. And you may say, oh, why you season it? Well, everything needs a little seasoning. So I'm gonna put just a little pinch of salt in there. Just a pinch. Don't go crazy on me. Add a little bit of sugar as well. About that much, not much. Mix that around. Then we're gonna let this set for a minute and let everything marry. And we'll bring it right back. All right. Got us a little butter here. Put as much or as little as you like. It's all about what you want for yours. We got my mix here, our bread here. And we just gonna drop it in like that. Give it a little turn. A second to soak in a little bit there. Drop her in this old skillet. Perfect. this in the fridge. We're making some more later. Might have this for supper as well as breakfast. I'm gonna give these a couple of minutes per side. That looks all right. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. Looks good. Smells delicious. Let this go for another couple of minutes. We'll plate her up. All right. Let's try it first without any syrup. Yeah. I like that. I like that better than French toast. A little more body than you would get with the traditional Texas toast, French toast. This manual. I got nuts in here, you know, the banana bread. Here's a little sweet, not too sweet. I wasn't trying to do it like a cake, but if you check down the description, I have a recipe for banana bread. I got a couple of videos out there, I believe. So this is pretty doggone good. Definitely worth the try. Delicious. So if you like this one, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I love reading them. And friend about me, subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.